I'm starting a new vlog today. So in today's vlog, we are going on my Bachelorette Beach Bash weekend, and I'm super excited. Shout out to my matron of honor, Brittany, for coordinating everything, y'all, down to the itinerary and everything that we are going to be doing. We will be staying in Gulfport, Mississippi, and we're going to be hanging around the Biloxi, Mississippi area. I'm so excited. We have 3 days ahead of us, and it's going to be so much fun, y'all. But step one, I already got up, got everything packed, and I am ready to hit the road, y'all. So the first thing for me is I'm going to hit the road and go to Lafayette, Louisiana, to meet up with the rest of my family. And then once we're all together, tomorrow morning, we're actually going to leave and head out to Mississippi. We have some really cool things on the itinerary, y'all. So we're going to be hanging out at the Airbnb, checking out the beach vibes, y'all. We're also going to visit like Sugar Factory and also another brunch place called Brick and Spoon as well. So it should be fun, y'all. We're going to be cooking on Saturday night. It's going to be a lot of fun, okay? So I'm excited for this jam-packed girls weekend with my family. And yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. And like, oh my God, I'm getting married. That's still crazy to say, y'all. But yeah, so my wedding is until a couple of months from now, but I am having this early bachelorette. Like, gets mentioned this in another vlog, but for my actual wedding, I will not be having any bridesmaids. I'm having a very small wedding, so I think this is really nice. I didn't want like a bridal shower. I didn't want any of that stuff, y'all. I just wanted something very small, very intimate. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, but first I gotta get on the road and head to Louisiana. Girlies, so I made it to Louisiana, chilled with my family yesterday, had a nice little dinner, and now we're all up and we are ready to go to Mississippi, y'all. So I will be driving my car. My cousin is also driving her car, so I'm very excited for today. So today, once we get there, we're actually gonna go eat brunch at Brick and Spoon, and then we're gonna head to the mall, do a little bit of shopping, and then we're gonna go to Walmart, pick up some groceries. And then, y'all, we're gonna have us some party foods tonight, some meatballs, etc. So that's gonna be really fun. But I'm so excited to be with my girls this weekend, okay, period. As far as my outfit, y'all, well, first let me start with my hair. Shout out to my stylist. I wanted this like illusion sew-in. So what we actually did was we did a 3-bundle sew-in with the closure, but I wanted the closure behind my hairline. I have a little bit of hair out in the front, and I really do like the way it came out. And then as far as my glasses, I did get these from Temu. I think they're really cute, and I love this little white design on the side, y'all. My makeup is always Estee Lauder, period. And also I wanted to shout out my people that does my nails over at Luxe Nails. They did an amazing job. I wanted to try out something different. I did the almond shape, and I didn't want them too pointy, y'all. So y'all know French tips is my go-to. Either French tips or white nails. I love white. But I also did French tips on my toes. My outfit, I did get this DKNY tank top from Ross. I really do love it. It's very comfortable, and I love that right here on the shoulder part, it's not too thin, so it has a pretty good thickness to it, and I just love the overall quality of it. And what's really funny is that my mom actually got a DKNY dress from Ross, so we are low-key matching today, y'all. And then I get this cute little crossbody from Temu. It's really cute. It's a dupe of something. I don't know if it's Balenciaga, I don't know, but it's a dupe of something, but it's really small, it's really cute. So I got that on, and then I have on these little pants right here. I have these little baggy pants. I actually wore these at an event in Houston, but they're super cute. I got them from Fashion Nova, and I always love Fashion Nova pants because they are tall, girl friendly, okay? So here is pretty much my outfit. I am ready to go, y'all. like so nice in here, y'all, and I can't wait to get to the beach and everything else. So I'm probably not gonna be talking as much on this vlog. It's probably gonna be just moments and montages happening, but I'm so excited, y'all, and so far we're having a blast. And I got my drink in my cup, y'all, so shout out to Amazon, period. My little Mrs. cup that I'm already sipping on. So yeah, let's go see what else they got out for the Bachelorette. Day 2 and we're at the beach right now, y'all. If I didn't say it before, I'm in Gulfport, Mississippi, y'all. So we're actually staying at these condos right up there. Link this cup down below for you guys. If you guys know anybody who's getting married, or maybe you're getting married, definitely get this cup, but I will go ahead and link it down below. I've been drinking all my drinks in it, y'all, and it is just perfect. As far as my outfit, I got this dress from Ross. I got this little hat from Walmart, glasses from Temu. I got my Tommy Hilfiger sandals on, and I think I got those from Shoe Carnival. So yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on today. We're gonna chill, and then later on we have the all-white dinner at the Sugar Factory. So I'm super excited for that part, y'all. But yeah, here we are on the beach, and I am just so happy to be becoming Mrs. Blake. All right, y'all, so we're about to head to Sugar Factory. We have on our all white, and I have on this little bride earring. Shout out to my matron of honor. I got my little clutch from Amazon here, just a plain little clutch, and I got my little sandals just in case, y'all. But yeah, I'm so excited. Are you excited for Sugar Factory?
I am very excited.
We're just waiting for the car to get here so we can head to Sugar Factory. So the Bachelorette Beach Bash weekend is coming to an end. We had a lot of fun. We are up, we are dressed, and we're about to get on the road. As far as my outfit, I did get this top from Ross, and also I got the bottoms from Ross as well, some cute little shorts, and then I got these shoes from Temu, y'all. They are the cutest. I love them so much, and I also got the black ones. So those have been my sandals for the weekend. But yeah, so pretty much today we're just gonna head home and probably get something to eat on the way back, and then that'll be it for our weekend. But we had so much fun, y'all. Sugar Factory, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, the food was not all that. It was definitely more of a place for the aesthetic, but I did get like the mini burgers. I didn't really even record the food like that. But yeah, but the drinks were pretty good. I did get one of those drinks with the dry ice and the smokes. I got the picture and the footage that I wanted for Instagram. And I also love the pictures that we took in our all white. I thought we were like so cute. But yeah, so we had a great weekend, y'all. Talk too much during this vlog because we literally we were chilling, y'all. We were chilling, we were laughing, we were talking, we were listening to music. So I was just really trying to soak that in because I really do love quality time with my family. But I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. We're about to get on the road and head back home, and I'm so excited, y'all, to be getting married in a couple of months. So yeah, so the bachelorette part is done, baby. Now we're on to the wedding.